Hello students, exercise number 5.2, question number 18. See, the sum of 4th and the 8th term of AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and the 10th term is 44. Then find the first 3 terms of an AP. First 3 terms find out करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या चाहिए होगा, A और D. तो जो दो कंडीशंस आपको दे रखी हैं उसे अपन 2 इक्वेशंस फॉर्म करेंगे, उन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करेंगे. Then after finding the value of A and D, see the solution of this question. थोड़ा सा लेंथी है ये but easy है, right? देखिए, the according to question is that this one is 4th and 8th term. We know that AN formula is AN equals to A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, so 4th and 8th term sum is 24. So 4th term, that is A4 plus A8 sum is 24. According to first condition is that the sum of the 4th and the 8th term of AP is 24. So apply this one formula here in A4 and in A8. So what we get, that is A plus 4 minus 1 into D for A4. Okay, now for A8, that is A plus 8 minus 1 multiplied by D is equal to 24. Okay, then after solve this one, A plus A, that is twice of A plus 4 minus 1 3D, and this one 7D. 3D plus 7D is 10D is equal to 24. देखिए इन दोनों में से 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा, that is 2 is common, then remaining is A plus 5D is equal to 24. 2 divide that side, that is what we get, that is A plus 5D. 24 divided by 2, that is 12 times. Equation number 1. आपके पास first equation आ गई from this condition. Okay. Similarly, we solve this next condition is that the sum of the 6th and the 10th term is 44. So next condition is that, and the sum of which term? 6th term and 10th term. The sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Okay, same formula apply in this AN formula here in A6, that is A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Okay, plus this one is A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 44. Okay, solve further this one, A plus A, twice of A, and this one 6 minus 1, 5D, 5D plus 9D, that is 14D. Okay, so this one, for the solution of this, that is A plus A, twice of A, and this one is 5D, 6 minus 1 that is 5D, and this one 9D. So 9D plus 5D, that is 14D is equal to, that is 44. So this one is 44. Now again 2 is common. इसमें से भी क्या कॉमन आ रहा है, 2 कॉमन आ रहा है देखिए दोनों में से. तो 2 is common. The remaining is A plus that is 7D is equals to 44. और 2 को वहाँ डिवाइड कर दीजिए, then what we get, that is A plus 7D is equals to 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 22. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. तो आपके पास देखिए 2 इक्वेशंस आ गई, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 2. तो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम 2. किसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, 2 में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें. देन व्हाट वी गेट व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन नंबर, दैट इज 2 minus 1. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में से इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को क्या कर रहा है, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है. देन व्हाट वी गेट, दैट इज A plus 7D is equals to 22. Then A plus this one 5D is equal to, that is 12. Okay, we subtract equation number 1 from 2. That sign is changed. So this one, student, A to A cancel out. This one 7D minus 5D, that is twice of D, or this one is 10 is remaining. Okay, then after 2 divide that side, then what we get, D equal to 5. So D is equal to 5 when we divide by 2 to that side. So D का value कितना आ गया, 5. Got it? So find out the value of A. We put the value of A in this equation. D का वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो किसका वैल्यू आ जाएगा A का. Okay, for finding the value of A, we put this here, that is A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. We put the value of T is equal to 5 in equation number 1. Okay, so we get that is A plus 25 is equals to 12. Okay, now student remaining is, that is transpose this one to that side, that is A equals to 12 minus 25. Negative quantity is greater and this one is smaller, so this one remaining is, this one is minus 13. So A equal to this one is minus 13. So first term is minus 13 and the D is 5. So you have to find out the three terms. कितना term निकालना है आपको? 3 terms. Okay. So finding the 3 terms, that is first term is A1 is minus 13. So A2 second term आप निकालेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? A1 plus D. A1 में क्या ऐड कर देंगे? D ऐड कर देंगे. तो A1 यहाँ पर कितना था अपने पास? That is minus 13 plus D आपके पास कितना आया था? 5. आप प्लस करेंगे तो कितना होगा? That is minus 8. Now the A3 third term is, that is आप क्या करेंगे? A2 plus D कर देंगे. That is A2 आपके पास है minus 8 प्लस आप कर देंगे 5, that is equal to minus 3. Okay, so therefore students, therefore the three terms are, that is first term is minus 30, the second term is minus 8 and the last term is minus 5 up to so on ऐसे चल रहा है. First three terms आपसे पूछ रहा है, find out the first three terms of AP, that is minus 30, minus 8 and minus 3. Got it? Take the screenshot. It's easy. Okay, apply the conditions, that is 2 conditions are given, then form the 2 equations, then after solve this one 2 equations, then we get the value of A and D, then find out the 3 terms of AP. Got it? Thank you.